I'm standing here in front of the body and the environment class. Today, they're dissecting fetal pigs. Right now, they're hog tying them, and later, they're going to be cutting them up and examining their internal organs.
Right now, we're unwrapping the pig, and we're about to clean it off and get rid of the majority of the preservative. I can use the scalpel to cut out the skin layer that's above the stomach cavity area, I suppose. And also, he's going to make the lines on the mouth so that I can cut open that later.
Where do you want the lines?
Right now, we're cutting through the
Muscle tissue.
Muscle
the
tissue.
abdominal muscle.
So that we can see the
So where is he?
so we can see the ribs. And if you can see or feel later, you'll see that the ribs are kind of flexible. And it's because they're not fully developed yet. The matter of cow.
In a fetal pig, the ribs and most of the other bones, except for the usually like the legs and the cranium area, are right now cartilage. But right now, because we have a slightly older pig, they're developing calcium deposits, which will turn them into bone. So once we get through the muscle layer here, we're going to have to break and cut the ribs with scissors.
So that we can see the internal cavities.
Then this area right here is where your intestines and your stomach and your gastrointestinal tract would be. And this right here is all filled with fluid, so some stuff might kind of squirt out.
If you want to see, there's a little bit of what the cartilage looks like right there. How it's so flexible and easily cut.
And what are you going to be looking for under the ribs?
Pretty much any internal structures that would be the heart, gallbladder, digestive system,
Yeah, the
lung.
heart, lungs, sternum, diaphragm. No, yeah, I should put that down there too.
Look at all that.
Right
Would
now,
be blood.
It is bleeding latex and wait,
Yes.
yeah, and that is the deoxygenated blood.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Right now, they have accidentally cut an artery.
Are you enjoying dissecting the fetal pig?
Yes, it's pretty fun dissecting the fetal pig.
How far have you gotten?
We just got under the skin right now and we're seeing a little bit of the muscle.
What's the best part so far?
Best part so far is probably doing the dissecting and getting in there. It's pretty fun.
What have you learned from it?
I've learned that there's many layers of the skin and that there's blood vessels under the second layer in the area called the dermis.
Okay, thanks.
As you can see, these kids have learned a lot throughout the 2 weeks.